Today, everyone. Today, I have Vincent with me, and we're looking at chapter 19 of Python Crash Course. And today, we're looking at um, the Django project that we're doing, the second part, which is about the user authentication and authorization. So, basically, this is like a user account section that we'll be working on. Okay, the core identity. Every modern web application requires an account registration and authentication system to let users securely sign in to sign up and log in. And also access control. Developers must restrict page access to log in users and isolate view view functions. So users can only view only or modify their own private data. Yeah. And we have admin versus user space. Regular users must never uh, interact with Django internal admin site. Yeah. Developers must build a separate custom interface for public data entry. Yeah. And the second part is handling data entry and with Django forms. So you can see automation form builders. The form, the PY, this one over here. So the one that I've opened right now is this form.py. But it handles the inputs. It handles this one handles all the user inputs. It easily is the easiest method of using the Django model form, which automatically builds a web form by pulling fields directly from the existing database model. And we have data validation. You must never trust user input. So Django's Django's is valid method. Django has got a is valid method of, of automatically verifies automatically verifies that submitted data is clean, matches expected database style, the type, and is not malicious. So Django has got a is valid method that allows to scan or screen through any user input to make sure the user doesn't put in any malicious input. All right. And we have the dual path view pattern. A single view function. A single view function typically handles two scenarios based on the input web request. We have the get request and we have the post request. The user is just visiting the page. When it comes to the get request, the user is just visiting the page. The server generates and displays the blank form. But we also have what we call the post request. The post request, the user clicks inputs and the server processes the data, validates it, saves it to the database with the .save method, and uses the redirect method to send the server a success message. So those are two different request types. We have the get, which is just to generate and display the blank form. And we have the post, which helps it has to go straight to a server to process and validate it and saves it to the database. Okay. Now the third part we're looking at today is the web app security and template. We have the cross-site request, um, cross-site request forgery. That's, or you can say it as the CSRF. Django includes built-in guard against common form-based security attack. Yes. So Django includes a built-in guard against common form based security attack. The security token, developers must include the security token. It's a tag that basically it should look like this. Let me just put that in there so we can all have a look. There's a token, the developers. This is how it should look like. If you look at the last part, the line 11, you can see that if I go, let me take it out of here. Okay, so you saw how token looks like. Oh, that is actually a tag inside every HTML template. Oh, so we can have a look at it. So you can see it right here. It starts with the curly braces, and within the curly braces, we have the percentage sign before, and we have it after. So this right here is the security token. Developers must include this this tag inside every HTML template. So we're inside the HTML template here. So let's look at through all of them. See, so there's a template. You can see the next one as well. So now the purpose of this inside every HTML template form is to validate that incoming data uh, originates from their actual website and not an external attacker. Okay. Now, now that you have the key concepts in Django, you can you can set up a user account. Okay, so that is it. And then by running this project, we can have a peek of how it should look like. And yeah, so this is what a project looks like after running it. You can change the mode. If light mode looks too bright in the eye, so you can add a new task. You can delete old task in the yeah. You can add something. So go shopping. And you can see that yeah, it works. You can also edit it. Yeah, and you can also delete it as well if you don't want it there. It's not here. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Hoping to see you on the next one. Bye.